The future is here, and Apple is ready to redefine technology once again. Welcome back to Apple Insider. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated leaks of 2025, Apple 234. What is it? A new device? A major software overhaul? Or something completely unexpected? Let's find out. Rumors and leaks have been surfacing about a mysterious project, codenamed Apple 234. Sources suggest this could be Apple's most ambitious innovation yet, integrating AI, advanced hardware, and a revolutionary new form factor. Some reports indicate Apple 234 could be a foldable iPhone or even an entirely new category of device, merging MacBook power with iPhone portability. Imagine a device that transitions from a pocket-sized phone to a full-fledged workstation in seconds. AI is expected to play a major role. Apple's latest breakthroughs in on-device AI could mean a completely reimagined Siri, capable of real-time translations, advanced automation, and even predicting your needs before you ask. But what about software? Apple 234 could introduce a new OS, possibly a hybrid between macOS and iOS, optimized for AI-driven workflows, immersive experiences, and seamless cross-device integration. Now, here's where things get even more interesting. Some industry insiders believe Apple 234 isn't a phone or laptop at all, but an evolution of Apple Vision Pro. A lightweight, everyday AR headset that could replace screens as we know them. Imagine replacing your iPhone with smart glasses that overlay information in real time, let you control apps with just a glance, and even project a full keyboard onto any surface. While Apple remains tight-lipped, rumors suggest we might see Apple 234 unveiled at the September 2025 event. If true, this could be Apple's boldest move yet. Apple has a history of changing the game, and Apple 234 could be the next big leap. Are we looking at the future of computing? A revolutionary AI-powered device? Or something completely unexpected? What do you think Apple 234 will be? Drop your predictions in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for all the latest Apple leaks and updates. Until next time, this is Apple Insider, signing off.